Welcome back. So now we're going to show you how to add 10 products to your new shopping group. So the first thing we need to do is to look at the list of the top selling items that we get each Friday. So this is the page, and you will find this link just above the video on our support site. And here you will see, first of all, on the left-hand side, we have the item codes. We then have the descriptions, and on the right-hand side, we have the brands. Now, today we're going to focus on K-Life branded products that have a stock level of 100 or more, and that cost £8 or more in value. The reason for that being it's daft selling products for £2 or £3 because the profit just isn't worth it with the work involved. So first of all, let's look at this week's top selling product, which is the 10 LED butterfly lights. And what we want to do is to copy the product code that is at the top there. Now, we can get the product information, images and descriptions from the K-Life site. So if you go to this link, klife.co.uk, you'll also find the link for that above the video. This is the K-Life page. And what we can do is add that product code into the description bar, into the search bar at the top, and search for the product, and then open the product up. Now, what you'll notice is the number of images, and if there's more than one image, we always want to use as many images as possible. On the right-hand side, we get the description and the stock level. So you'll see here there's 536 in stock. There's no other options. There's a little bit of info about dimensions, and we need as much information as possible. So first thing we want to do is to save the images. So on a PC, you right-click and save image as. You can do this on your desktop, but it is handy to have lots and lots of folders. So for this one, we shall call the folder, new folder. There we go. 00000. So it's open at the front. So if we save the folder, and we can save the image, and you'll notice that the product code is actually in the image name. Just leave that as it is. And then we'll go on and save the second image. Save image as, and we'll put that in there. And now we have the two images saved. Now it's really important that we edit every image that we get just by adding the name of our shopping group onto the image. There are two reasons for this. One is as we start to post in external groups, this builds our brand, and the more we do it, people learn to trust us and build up the customers. Secondly, it alters the image, and Facebook do not like the same image being used again and again and again, so they like to see something being changed, and this helps to avoid any Facebook bans and just keeps things fresh. So I've saved the two images, and now we're going to edit it with a really easy online package, which is free. It's all cloud-based, and this is called iPicky. Again, the link to this will be in there. You might want to use different photo editors, but this one is the easiest one going. You can also use editors on mobile phones and all sorts of things. So go to iPicky and create a free account. And once you've done that, you should get this screen. And we click on Edit a Photo. And as iPicky loads up, we can open the image. So we click on Open. Go to the folder where you saved your image, which is this one at the start, and we'll take the first image here. Now what we want to do is to add some text, and if we look on the left-hand side, there's what looks like 3 sheets of paper. I think it means layers. So we click on there, and then this opens this little bar at the top where we can add images or text, and what we're going to do is just add text here. So put the text down there, and on the left hand side you can edit that text. So Mark's shopping and gifts. And the great thing about this is once you've done it 10 or 20 times, it gets much faster, and you can load a product up very, very quickly. So just recenter that wherever you'd like it. I should put it there, I think. And you've got lots of different options if you want to mess about with it later. You then click the Apply button, Apply, and then you can save that to your PC. Again, save it to your computer, and it will just overwrite the image that you saved before. Close the photo, and then we shall do exactly the same again with the second image. Computer, let's take the close-up, and again, add some text. Recenter that wherever you'd like it. We'll put it down at the bottom this time. A good tip is not to put it too close to the edge, because when it's in the smaller view on Facebook, bits of it will get chopped off. So click apply, click save. And that's it. We've now saved the two images. And if we go back to our shopping group now, let's add those two images to the page, to the group. So you can click the two of them. And Facebook quickly loads those up, we hope. Now, if you want to, you can move these images around. It's up to you. And also later on, if you want to take pictures yourself, feel free to do those. Now, the next thing we need to do is to add a description. So again, if we go back to the K-Life page. Now, what we don't want to add onto our page is the approximate stock level. We just want the important stuff. We don't want the product items. So let's first of all, let's copy the title. So we go back to our page. So let's put 10 butterfly lights. And I always add the word new or new stock, because a lot of these selling sites are selling used items. And then I put the price, £8. And then I would put something like, message me to order. Smiley face, kisses, whatever you'd like to do. And then we take the official company information. And we copy that. We'll paste that across. So there we've got 10 LED butterfly lights, new, £8, message me to order, battery operated string light with 10 shiny butterflies, needs 3 AA batteries, not supplied, length 155 centimeters. And that is all we need. And we click post. And there we go. We have our first product listed. Now, so what you need to do now is to go back to that top sellers list. Remember, we're looking for K-Life products that are £8 or over, and with a stock of 100 or more. So you could go on to the next product there. Go back into the K-Life site. And sometimes if an item is sold out, it won't actually appear. When you search for it, it won't be there. So do be aware of that. And again, there's another top selling product. And again, you can do the same. You can take away pinch the images, use the text. Just remember to avoid the product number or the stock levels and post that back onto your page. So what you need to do now is to go through and add your 10 products to your page. And as soon as you've done that, come back to the next video and we'll teach you the next step from there.